A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. I don't know if you know. Say, I know you run your life. I really God in a control. And if you hang on pan it, you're going to lose it. But if you surrender it to him, yeah, you're going to get to keep it forever. Think about that. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop a comment below, and share it with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right there. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to John chapter 12 from verse 20 to verse 36. Now, you did have some Greek people, where did amongst them, where did I go to Jerusalem for the Passover holiday for praise God. Them go to Philip, where did come from Bethsaida in a Galilee. And them said to him, say, we would have liked if we could have see Jesus, sir. Philip then go tell Andrew, and the two of them go tell Jesus. Jesus said to them, say, the time come for God show how the man where God pick big and powerful. May I tell you if it's true. If one wheat seed not drop a ground and dead and rotten, it ever got turn one wheat seed. But if it get for dead and rotten, it grow and bear enough other seed. The somebody were loving life too much, I go lose it. But the one we not hang on upon their life in other world, yeah, I go get to keep it forever. Anybody we want to serve me, have to follow me. Anyway, me there, them I go dead it too. And my father, I go beat them up. My heart heavy right here now. And when me first say, Father, no make me go through that sufferation, yeah? No. I feel that said the reason I'm coming into the world, to go through the sufferation where I come. Father, big up yourself and your name. Then, one voice from out of the sky say, me big it up already, and me going big it up one another time. The crowd of people where they did it, and hear the voice, say a roll thunder did roll. Other people say an angel did attack to him. Jesus say, I not for me, but for food no good. Make una get for hear the voice there. At the time now, when God going judge the people them in the world, and now the ruler for the world are going get fling out. And me, when me get lift up off of the earth, me going make everybody come to me. Him said this here, to make them know how him did not go dead. So the crowd said to him, say, the Lord tell we say, the Christ going stay forever. So how you talk about the man where God pick, I go get lift up. Oh, and this your man where God pick. Then Jesus said to them, say, uno I go have the light, we don't know, for only a little bit longer. Walk when you don't have the light before darkness take on over. Somebody where walk in the darkness, no know which part him go. Trust in the one where give light while you have him with you. Trust in him so you can be people who belong to the light. After Jesus done talk, he left, go hide himself in the crowd. God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.